Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a monster that's been turning heads across the heavy equipment world, the modified, more powerful 2025 Komatsu D475A. This isn't your standard production unit. We're talking upgraded power delivery, reinforced construction, and luxury interior enhancements built for high-demand operators and extreme job site conditions. Let's walk through the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing so you get the full picture of what this beast offers. Starting on the outside, the first thing you notice is the sheer scale of the machine. The 2025 upgraded D475A carries a redesigned engine hood with optimized airflow grills that help dissipate heat from the boosted power plant. The front profile is aggressive. The wide, slanted nose includes fortified steel plating and an angled shape to deflect debris. The dozer blade itself is massively reinforced. This modified variant features an oversized semi-U blade with an enhanced spill guard, thicker steel at critical stress points, and advanced wear-resistant edges designed to cut deeper and push heavier loads without deflection. Along the left side, you'll see the upgraded track frame with extended undercarriage support. Each link in the track has been re-engineered using heat-treated alloy steel to handle increased torque. The side guards now have removable access panels for easier service to rollers, tension systems, and hydraulic lines. There's also an optional high-performance lighting kit that includes LED clusters mounted along the side rails, giving excellent visibility for night work and poor weather environments. On the right side is where the redesign really shows the performance intention. You get a repositioned access ladder with anti-slip grating and a pop-up handrail that tucks flush when not in use. The fuel tank is armor-coated to prevent dents and fractures, and the DEF compartment is protected behind a steel-guarded hatch. Maintenance ports have been reorganized into a single-access bay with quick latch covers, making ground-level inspections easier and faster. Swinging around to the rear, the modified D475A features a dual exhaust outlet system with thermal shielding that moves heat away from the hydraulic manifold and rear grille. The counterweight has been extended and reshaped to balance the additional mass of the upgraded blade system and internal component reinforcements. Rear-view cameras, recessed into steel housings, stream directly to in-cab displays and can be paired with radar. Proximity sensors for improved reverse operation safety. Standing at the front left three-quarter view, the machine shows off its width and stability. The sloped engine cover, oversized blade, thick lift arms, and angled steps combine to give a bold industrial look that screams performance. From the rear right three-quarter angle, you can see how the sculpted counterweight and exhaust stacks align with the roofline of the cab, giving a well-proportioned appearance despite the machine's immense dimensions. Stepping inside the cab is where operators feel the biggest difference. Komatsu redesigned the interior for the modified 2025 version with a more automotive-style finish and improved ergonomics. The seat is fully air-suspended with adjustable firmness, lumbar control, and heating and cooling functions for all-day comfort. Armrests adjust along multiple axes, and control pods are integrated directly into the armrests for natural hand placement. The dashboard features a high-definition touchscreen interface that monitors engine power, hydraulic pressure, fluid levels, grade control, and diagnostic alerts in real time. Physical switches have been reduced and replaced by touch-activated digital panels and programmable button clusters that let the operator customize frequently used commands. Joysticks are electro-hydraulic with ultra-smooth modulation, allowing precise blade control with minimal operator fatigue. Visibility has been dramatically improved thanks to thinner cab pillars, triple-sealed glass panels, and panoramic side windows. An overhead skylight panel lets in ambient light and provides a direct view of lifted arms or overhead obstacles. Noise and vibration have been cut down by adding acoustic lining behind interior panels, floor damping materials, and improved rubber cab mounts. Climate control is now dual, and the air filtration system uses a high-capacity pressurizer to keep dust and particulates out of the operator space. There's a refrigerator compartment under the passenger seat area, multiple USB-C and USB-A charging ports, and a hands-free communication system that syncs with phones or site radios. Interior LED lighting adjusts for nighttime entry and dimmable task. Lighting is placed around the control console for convenience. Asterisk. Performance is where the new modifications push this dozer into a category of its own. The 2025 upgrade package equips the Komatsu D475A with a high-output, turbocharged diesel engine producing over 1,200 horsepower, depending on the tuning package selected. Torque delivery has been improved through a recalibrated transmission management system that optimizes gear selection under heavy loads. The automatic shift transmission now senses resistance and throttle inputs more quickly, cutting down lag and boosting productivity. Asterisk hydraulics have been upgraded with a variable flow pump system that diverts power precisely where it's needed. Blade response is snappier and more consistent, especially when cutting into rock-heavy soil or compacted material. The cooling system was enlarged with improved radiator fins and a more intelligent fan clutch that adjusts speed based on engine temperature and hydraulic load. Asterisk. The frame itself has gone through strategic reinforcement. Stress points around the main pivot shafts, equalizer bar, and blade lift arms have been thickened and reshaped to reduce flex. Truck tension is maintained automatically, with new sensors detecting slack and adjusting the recoil spring tension on the fly. The result is a smoother ride across uneven terrain and lower risk of undercarriage strain. Asterisk fuel efficiency has also been addressed. Despite the jump in power, an updated engine management system boosts combustion efficiency and reduces unnecessary fuel burn during idle or light pushing. Operators can select from multiple work modes, Power Max, Standard, and Economy depending on the application. When paired with precision-grade technology and optional GPS machine control, operators can finish jobs with fewer passes and less wasted fuel. Asterisk. In terms of productivity, this modified D475A can move more material faster than previous configurations. On mining sites, it handles overburden and high banks with ease. In large-scale earth-moving projects, it clears and grades with remarkable consistency. Slope control systems help maintain angle, reducing the need for rework. Asterisk. Maintenance was clearly kept in mind during the redesign. Centralized lube points, remote shutoff valves, ground-level filters, and on-screen diagnostics cut downtime significantly. Rapid swing-out panels and grouped service areas speed up technician tasks. Komatsu's telematics package provides real-time data to fleet managers, allowing proactive scheduling for service and parts replacements before failures occur. Asterisk. Now let's break down price. A standard 2025 Komatsu D475A already sits in the premium range for ultra-large dozers. The modified high-power variant adds a notable cost increase due to upgraded components, reinforced structure, advanced hydraulics, and tech integrations. Base pricing for the modified version can start around $2.1 to $2.4 million, depending on dealer region and configuration. Add-ons, like GPS-grade control, premium interior packages, night operation lighting kits, and custom blade setups, can push the cost to roughly $2.6 to $2.8 million. Some specialized builds for mining or military contracting can exceed $3 million depending on armored elements, control systems, and environmental compliance requirements. Asterisk. However, buyers in these categories typically focus on long-term return on investment, and the upgraded D475A brings reduced downtime, greater load-moving efficiency, and lower maintenance per hour of operation compared to older units. Many fleet managers see cost savings through improved cycle times, fuel management, and reduced wear on undercarriage components. Asterisk. When it comes to resale, modified high-horsepower dozers hold value well if maintained under proper service plans and telematics tracking. The cab enhancements and productivity tech features give them an edge on the secondary market, making them appealing to large contractors, mine operators, and specialized earth-moving firms. Asterisk. In short, the 2025 modified Komatsu D475A is built for those who need raw pushing power, advanced control, and reliable performance in the harshest conditions. From the aggressive exterior armor and heavy-duty blade to the tech-rich interior and tuned powertrain, it's clearly designed to dominate the job. The investment is significant, but the payoff in performance and uptime makes it one of the standout machines in its class. Asterisk, if you're into heavy equipment that doesn't compromise. This upgraded D475A is a machine you watch once and don't forget. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of massive industrial power.